All of us know that this sound wants you to wake up early in the morning. The question is, did you feel energetic and happy to wake up early in the morning? Before I am going too long, I would like to introduce myself to you. My name is Iqmal Hakimi bin Manjun and I'm from RSA 2433B. Most of us wake up like a zombie, which they are not energetic in the morning because playing smartphone before bed is the reason why you do not feel energetic and happy in the morning. I have done my research. Some research that lack of sleep are the most factor that may lead to the disease, and smartphone can lead to the tissue damage, tumor, or even brain cancer. And playing smartphone before bed can lead to sleep disorder. We must change this bad habit and have a good sleep quality in your life. Without wasting time, let's start by discussing the problem. Did you notice that playing smartphone before bed is the problem? Which the blue light from the smartphone is harmful to your eyes. The blue light emitted by your phone screen inhibit the melatonin productions, the hormone that regulate your sleep-wake cycle, and this will make it even more difficult to fall asleep. There are many strong evidence that came out by the scientists and the researcher on effect of playing smartphone before sleep due to the blue light emitted by your smartphone. And according to the research by Zailinawati in 2012 about insomnia toward Malaysians, and the statistics shown in Malaysia, 33.8% of the general population were reported to have insomnia symptoms, and 12.2% had chronic insomnia. We cannot take it easy because insomnia is the serious issue that can occur due to the lack of sleep. Furthermore, while smartphones are relatively safe in the short term, they also offer significant long-term health hazard. When you use smartphone, you are exposed to radiation that accumulate over time. In comparison to the radiation that emitted by the X-ray machine, the amount is negligible, which means it's okay better than smartphone. And the problem is cell phone radiation. According to the Ronald Haberman from University of Pittsburgh Cancer Institute, it is not how much emitted at one time, but how much we are exposed to over time. I would like to give you an example like having a conversation through a phone call during the late night with our partner. This is just an example, but you need to take it seriously because people might not take it seriously because we cannot see the radiation while we are having a phone call. Did you know that this will affect us from tissue damage, tumor, or even a brain cancer? So I think that this all tissue damage, tumor, or even brain cancer is big no for ourselves because this will affect us to unhealthy condition, which mean the habit of playing games or the time we spend on the smartphone during the late night and when we supposed to sleep, we will ruin your body rest recovery system. Your body will not be recovered during the sleep when you are not having 7 to 8 hours of sleep, and it will lead you to insomnia. So we have seen why playing smartphone before bed is a problem. Don't worry, let's look for a solution. It is important to you to do this. Of course, you need to remove your bad habits to have a good sleep quality. First of all, you need to stop using your electronic device for 30 minutes before sleep. And the National Sleep Foundation recommends that you should stop using your electronic device like your smartphone at least 30 minutes before bedtime. Instead of grab the book that's been tucked away in your nightstand and start reading before bed. There are also options within your smartphone like setting it on night mode to minimize the distraction and notification that can help you to get in the mood to snooze. I think this may help on you when you on the night mode so you don't have to play your smartphone before your bed. After that, you can start exercising for a better sleep. based on available study that made by Charlene Gamaldo, the medical director of Johns Hopkins Center for Sleep at Howard County General Hospital. They have solid evidence that exercise does in fact help you fall asleep more quickly and improve the sleep quality. And recent research indicate that exercise decrease the complaint and insomnia in patients. The effect of aerobic exercise on sleep appear to be similar to those of sleeping pills, and it clearly that exercise can improve your sleep when it works to insomnia patient, and surely it can work on you too who does not have a good sleep quality. And to think logically, when you exercise, your body will fatigue and you will need some rest, so it will be easy to you to have a sleep when you are fatigued. And I advise to you that you need to exercise 3 hours before you off to bed, and you can be a better version of yourself by taking the solutions, and let's discuss the benefit of it. There are several benefits when you taking the solutions. By avoiding to play your smartphone before sleep, you will have 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep, and from that you will experience energetic feelings in the morning compared to the weak person feeling in the morning due to playing smartphone during the sleep hours. And second, you can lower your risk for serious health problems like insomnia and heart disease. By removing the bad habit before bed can change your life to a healthy lifestyle. Can you imagine that you will think more clearly and do better in school or even at work? And if you do not make any action to remove the habits playing smartphone before bed, I am sure that statistics shown by the previous research that study about insomnia to mention will be increases, and that's so sad to hear about it if you neglected about this. In conclusion, playing smartphone before bed will give you bad effect, and we need to remove the bad habits that will ruin your schedule and the sleep quality. Today we have discussed the problem of playing smartphone before bed and the solution, also the benefits. Start today unless you want to start it when you already have a disease soon. In addition, prevention is better than cure. Last but not least, Dr. William Damon, the father of sleep medicine and inspiration, once says that you are not healthy unless your sleep is healthy. That's all from me. Thank you.